Hello, folks. So, after our walk up by the Griffith Observatory, we decided to just check out the Universal City Walk place over there. So come with us now and make we show you what happened while we were there. This day was a full day in LA, and we want to take you on the journey with us. So, come on, make we see what going on. So, we're out here on our tour still, and now we're there.
I left my glasses.
You left your glasses? You
I
sure
got it
in
in the
this?
car. It's in the car.
You want mine? So where are we, please?
At the Universal City Walk.
Universal City Walk.
Near Universal Studios.
You notice up here walking theme. She try to tell me something. I think she's trying to say I am fat.
You're not for what?
You understand?
You can run.
Wow. Anyway, so this is what it's about. Let me just show you real quick. So it's about pretty much shops, entertainment, restaurants, quick food. Yeah. So we just go walk and show.
I think I need to go to the talent office.
Yeah, I think they need to hire us. So because we're big talents on here, so it's a real tourist product. There's the cinema over there. There's the City Walk sign right there. Zoom in on it.
That's a chocolate emporium in a bit.
And then the chocolate emporium. Let me show you. It's chocolate emporium. Some chocolate emporium. You want to go in there?
Yeah.
Well, so we're going to the chocolate emporium, guys. Right there, so this is the chocolate emporium savory feast kitchen. It's nice.
Oh, is that like a restaurant?
Yeah, I think it is. So it's really nice. But we're gonna just look.
Yeah, you rush it?
For Willy Wonka, so they have their own characters. It's not based on a movie or TV show, it's just an idea they came up with.
Okay.
But the desserts, they're pretty big portions if you guys want to share them. I would say you shouldn't miss out on the milkshakes they have. They have a milkshake foundry, so it's like a bar of just milkshakes. It comes in a mason jar that says twosome on it that you guys are able to keep if you want.
Oh wow.
And they usually put like pastries on top of the milkshake. So if you get like the mint chocolate chip milkshake,
So
it
you
comes
just
with a
die from
pastry.
diabetes.
Vintage.
Here is nice to just do do a little.
One restaurant. Can you believe it?
It's really nice. Okay.
Oh, the roof. You didn't see the roof?
Yeah, it's a steampunk is the decor style.
Okay, so we're heading over to the milkshake section, guys. Milkshakes, as crazy as you can imagine them, it's milkshakes. Hi.
So see what she was talking about with the
Oh, it reminds me of
that place in Weston.
yeah.
See, they got different ones. $6.64. Them selling a milk jar.
Where is it? The house of the
There's one milk 6 high fly.
You know what for that? Probably $150.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, easily.
1
Easy.
minute. Oh, this is the direction we're going.
Yeah.
City food is right there. This is
So
where
this
you
is
have
the upstairs
the
part I
quick
was telling you
bites.
about. Yeah.
Universe.
KFC and Pizza Hut. I would not necessarily buy food in here because there's so much nice foods on the street though. You know what I mean? You understand what I'm saying?
You want us to go through the pool, maybe? Is it more?
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the diabetes store. It's called Sparky's, and them sell only sweetie, only sweets. See, sweetie, 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 sweetie. You name it, they got it. Pear sweetie and donut. See donut here. Mini donuts. Yeah. So if you wanted your diabetes to take you, come to Sparky's. Da-da-da. And over there is Nectar Life. More sweets. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same place. The Panawania, guys. Watch out. Sweet, sweet, sweet stuff. Oh no, I think this is bath stuff. Guys, you know, so we turn idiot. None of this is edible. All of them are bath bombs. We just get tricked a while ago to next string. Fully tricked, guys. We get tricked. We think that in another store named Nectar was for food because it looked like food, but it's bath bombs. You can't believe that? We get fully tricked a while ago. Can you tell the truth?
I thought it was edibles.
I was like, why would they sell one store full of food, but these are where you're dropping in your bubble bath and then something there. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for clarity and understanding. Trust me. I love this. Look how this looks nice. This is just beautiful. I would do the backyard, my backyard with this, babes. You know? It's just tiles, you know. I like this. So, I don't know what is your take on experiences. I like going places that I've never been before and experiencing things that I've never experienced before. And so for me, in a park with the same stores that are available other places, it's not a real big things for me, you know. I don't mind walking and stuff, but I'm definitely not gonna buy a milkshake for $18. What do you feel about that, Biz? Buying a milkshake for $18.
It's not necessary, but I guess if I feel for a milkshake and I'm here,
what?
I will buy a milkshake.
I'm not feeling for a milkshake. I am not feeling for a milkshake. Oh,
Yeah,
let's go.
I think it's just an overly exaggerated tourist attraction.
Yeah.
So they're just going for the tourists.
Right.
You know? But we're not about that tourist life. We're just here for, you know, just to see, just to do
Right.
something different, to see what the city has to offer.
Right.
But they're not gonna finesse us.
That me set up. No finessation. Is where you're going to the Universal Park now. You pay for going there, so.
So where's the ride?
Somewhere down there, I don't know.
Oh, so all of these people are going to the actual.
Yeah. To the Universal Park, them I go.
Okay.
You know. But I don't want to waste my entire day in LA at the park. And it's the last day, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, that is it. Go there, remember take a picture in front of the Universal sign. Woohoo! My wife gone check out iFly. If I go up in that tube there and make them fly you down and make you and float go up in the air and come down. I am not doing that. If I was meant to fly, the Lord would have met me with wings. Wetzel Pretzel. What was the stamp on that place?
For a 2-minute session,
Mm-hmm.
it is $89.90 something per person, and that's 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
And if you want a 4-minute session, it's $129, including videos and pictures, and instructional classes beforehand.
So, which part on earth him lick him head?
Babe, you won't get this experience anywhere.
I
else
don't
in your
want
life.
this experience.
Anywhere
I'm
else
not
in
flying
your
no
life.
way. I'm not flying. I'm not no wing.
You're not doing it out of a plane, so this is the closest you'll get.
I'm not doing none of it. You need to go sit down. This Universal boardwalk thing is not for me, guys. I'm telling you straight up. One day Joshua want a Raiders hat. Yeah, I'm not do it. I'm just not doing it. This is just overrated touristy thing. Yeah, no, not doing it. $89 for 2 minutes of flying. No, I fly 5 hours come here. Not spending more for 2 minutes.
Fly different from skydive.
I skydive on the plane. When we hit the ear pocket, I was skydiving. Thank you. Voodoo Donuts. So which one you want? The bacon one? It's too big?
They don't look enticing. They look boring.
Plain cake. Buttermilk bar.
The Lids store. Wait, go nuts. It all begins with 1, then 2, then 3, then a bunch. They're joining, and soon after it will be a whole fountain of dancing. Oh, how I wish I could just jump in. It's a game. Let me see if I can catch them. Right here.
The color's red now.
Thingy. Dessert founder. Visit the famous Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen. Huh?
I'm going to the monster store.
Where is that?
Around this.
Oh.
So after feeling a little bit underwhelmed with Universal City Walk, we decided to go downtown to the Hollywood Walk of Fame. So that's where we're headed now. You're going to see that on the next video. Remember to like and share and subscribe. Yardabelly TV, member.